We used to play pretend, give each other different names. We would build a rocket ship and then we'd fly far away. Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at our face, singing, wake up, you need to make money.
Hey girl, open the walls, play with your dolls. We'll be a perfect family. Confetti, confetti.